this is Jason, just with another inspection tip for today. So kind of up here doing an attic inspection, and this is an old 1970s attic. They got wood, fiber, insulation, which is not bad for the air and stuff. But just notice somebody's done some electrical work up here. And you've got an open junction box sitting right here down in those wood fibers. I mean, that's just a perfect fire waiting to happen. Any of those wires get a little too warm or they start to arc or anything, they can potentially just start all this wood fiber on fire, and that would just spread through the entire attic in a matter of just seconds. So just a good idea to make sure all your electrical is up to code and the way it's supposed to be. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.